Everyone talks about the importance of fitness and exercise for kids, including us. But you ever wonder what's the need of sports in a student life? When we are doing well in our academics, why do we need to put extra efforts on sports? Today, let's discuss the benefits of sports for students. Playing a sport is a great way for students to take a break from their academics and release the pent-up energy. It also helps them to lead fuller and happier lives, as regular sports and fitness activities have proven to provide not only physical benefits but also social and physiological benefits for kids. Games and sports are an integral part in a student's life. A student should study hard to success in the competitive exams, but he should also play games and sports to enjoy the health and the vigor of life. The benefits of sports are multiple, and it leads to balanced mental and physical growth. It teaches the children life skills like teamwork, leadership, patience. It includes discipline and playing within the rules. Builds sportsmanship, which is used to play within the spirits of the game and to deal with both winning and losing with grace. All of these experiences and habits are also useful in adults' life. It develops discipline, as every sport requires some mental, physical and tactical discipline. Following the rules, obeying the coach, practicing restraint, etc. are all the forms of discipline which children learn through sports. Discipline enables people to reach at their full potential and realize the goals. It encourages people for teamwork. There is no I in team. Children know that the team cannot win unless they all work together on each other's strength. They also learn how to become less selfish and not let ego get the best of them. Working together is an important trend in today's life, as how to do so early on helps kids become better team players in professional life. It develops leadership skills, as naturally teaches children how to become good players, how to talk to our teammates, manage team emotions, take one for team, etc. It also helps us physically. Physical stress caused by exercise, which helps our muscles, tendons, ligaments and bones to be healthier and stronger. So in my opinion, sports make a student fit and healthy, as well as active in studies too. So every one of us should spare some time for sports. Thank you.